Oh my gosh. Can I help you, boo-boo? Okay, bye. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you.
Hi, this is the EC for You channel. So today's video is gonna be about, drumroll please, my review on the Morphe bronzer. So they have a whole bunch of bronzer, but they extended their line and added a little bit of a darker color for us melanated beauties. So I'm happy to see more and more brands incorporating, extending their makeup line for the darker pigmentation girls like us. So the only thing I have on my face is my contour. I have MAC Blonde Contour. It's my favorite powder to contour, and I think I want to get the darker shade because I have two of the extended shade, but I think I want to go get the darker shade. I believe it's, no, that's not Supreme. I believe, I forgot the name of it, but it's the darkest one. I have the two darkest shade, and I believe it'll look amazing for contouring, and it'll be perfect, especially if you have darker, a few shades darker than me. That bronzer appears to look good. Okay, so I have my brush. I love using kind of like a tulip brush, like how it's like big and then it points to the top. I really like that. It's a little bit dirty. I did my makeup, and I also like to set my whole face with it. So I'm gonna go with the lighter shade. So okay, so I'm gonna go with Leader. So I'm gonna swatch them first for you. So Leader looks like this in the pan. So this is Leader, and Supreme is a little bit more chocolatey brown. I don't know if the palette. So this is Supreme. Yeah, Supreme is more of a reddish. Okay, so Supreme is more of a warm tone, and the Leader is more of a neutral tone. So I'm gonna put each on one cheek. So let's get started. So I wanna start really lightly because lately I'm noticing like brands are coming out with a lot of pigmentation. So product, and I like to start all the way where my temple is and lightly brush it to add more of like a sun-kissed look to my face. Quite a little bit more. And I like to apply around my forehead because I have a huge forehead. Oh my gosh. Can I help you, boo-boo? Okay, bye. So this was me new. Sometimes he wants to know what's going on. And what I like about bronzer, because I have some hyperpigmentation on my forehead, and it helps cover it up, makes it look natural. So that's my like secret. I just go darker. Okay, so this is it. And I like to bring it all up to my cheek. Sometimes I just like to use bronzer and blend it. So that's how it looks like. So you see the difference? Okay, so I'm gonna go in with Supreme now on the other cheek. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I always like to start on my right side, even to put my lashes. I always have to start on the right side, and liner always on the right side. I don't know why, and if I start, I feel weird. I don't know. Comment down below if you have a favorite side of your face to start your bronzer, blush, highlighter on. So I'm gonna do the same thing to this. So this look is, I'm gonna do the no rush second part to it. So that's why I need to get ready. Hopefully it doesn't, not too big of a difference. See how my face looks put together now? No look is completed without it. I might not use a blush today because it's all the way upstairs and I'm too lazy. So I'm gonna bring it a little bit more as a blush too. Sometimes I like to do that. Shawty, you been thinking about the other weekend. I ain't got you feeding when I hit the deep end. You can feel me deep in. Word up to my brother, comfort ship is never sinking. Cause we got the tracks and the racks and the chains just to match. Plus we always keep it strapped. Okay, so this is the two side. I feel like this side is a little bit darker. So that's Leader, yeah. Leader is a little bit darker than Supreme from what I could see, because I'm not using natural lighting. Let me go look. I have a mirror down there, so I like both. I really don't mind both. Lighter, I'm gonna go in with the Laura Geller highlighter. I like doing a C. Sometimes I like to put it instead of, I always like to put a under highlight under my brow bone. It's rarely that you won't see me do it, but if for some strange reason that I don't, I would put the highlighter, like sometimes I like to put it above my brow bone because it gives that like lifted appearance and that healthy glow. Like I already have, oh yeah, the highlight that I have underneath my brow bone is different. Usually it's the same color. I wasn't sure which highlighter I was gonna use, but yeah. See that? And I love to mix my highlighter. Like that light highlighter. Because you can tell this is, I believe this color is very versatile, the Laura Geller one. It's very versatile. And then I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills with AmiraXCoco. I don't know if it's still in the store. And I like to put it, I like to spray my face first. So I've used the Morphe bronzer before. I believe I used leader. I've used the leader before. This going crazy with the highlighter. I like to just put like on top in the middle. Cute. So this is the complete look. So we're gonna be talking about the bronzer. So I really like how the application is smooth. It's very, very pigmented.
Drinking, shawty, you been thinking about the other weekend. Now I got you fiending. When I hit the deep end, you can feel me deep in. Word up to my brother, come for ship is never sinking. Cause we got the tracks and the racks and the chains just to match. Plus we always keep a strap if a nigga run his gap. No cap, these are facts. Jade and Yuki with the track. Got some baddies with the fatties with the arties in the back.
Also, the packaging, it's so big, so this will last you for a very long time, and I believe the price was $23, so that's not bad for bronzers, because I've seen bronzers like $50, and you know this will work. And pigmented, smooth, what else can I say, just the right amount of warmness. I really like this. It looks very natural in my opinion. Had a white spot. In my opinion, it looks very, very natural. So I really like it. What you guys think? Tell me which side you like. If you like the right side or the left side, tell me. So this is leader here, no, leader here and supreme here. So tell me what you like. Leader, supreme. And I highly recommend this bronzer. Like, so far my channel, all the reviews I've been doing is really positive. I feel like if I really like something, I want to show you guys, and if I don't, I'm not really, I don't want to waste my time. So basically I need to start doing first impressions then to see how I like it. But I like to wear the products first to tell you how I like it and how I wear it. And you can even use this as an eyeshadow to warm up the crease. I don't have that right now. I have the Dominant Cosmetic, the orangey and the reddish. I think the palette is like sauce, like, I forgot the palette name, but yeah. So I highly recommend those palette. Like, if you're in need for a bronzer, if you're looking for a bronzer, these are it. And my other one, okay, I'm gonna save it for next time. I'm gonna do hopefully when we're out of quarantine so we could rock it outside on vacation, I want to do my top 5 bronzers that I've been rocking for like years and years. I want to share with you my secret, but this I would definitely be adding to my list. But yeah, I'm gonna show you because there's one and it's black owned. It's perfect. I love it. So I can't wait for you to see my top 5 bronzers, or top 3, because I have a few bronzers. Yeah, because I love bronzers. Yes, so I can't wait to show you guys. So stay tuned. I hope you like and subscribe and enjoy this video. If you want to see more reviews, let us know in the comment down below. So ciao.
Because I'm living iconic, it's stupid if I'm alone, pointless if you're not home. Got me out on my own, deleting girls on my phone, and if they keep on calling, I'm leaving them at the tone. So tell me what's the problem, my dedication is shown. Don't want a side piece, all I really want is my main thing. You wanted something that's real, we want the same thing, but I don't know what to do because you playing games. I'm trying to